everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I am in a collaboration, I believe it's with 9 other ladies. I think the number's 9, it might be 12, but I think it's 9. And I think all of us are doing giveaways. I will be doing a giveaway, and to be eligible, you do have to be subscribed to each and every person in the collab. We are all trying to grow our channels, and this is a way to do it. When people get together and collab with each other, it's a way to help each other grow. So if you can, make sure please that you are subscribed to everyone. Everyone will be linked in my description box. So I got a mystery box from Glam Luxe. It's a company that I found on Amazon.com. It was a very inexpensive little mystery box. So here it is, right here. There's Brooklyn looking, wanting to know what it is. So let's see. And she's already like at the packaging, so I will throw it over here. All right, first thing I'm finding is, I don't wear fake lashes. I do not wear fake lashes. These are silk mink fake lashes. So you may be seeing these in a future giveaway or possibly this one. This one will have a palette. I do want you to know that. My giveaway will be kind of a surprise giveaway, but it will consist of a palette of some sort and some other goodies. Okay, this is a lip tint. It says, it looks like it's by Bella. So that's a little lip tint. It's awful watery. Let's see. All right, does it really say lip tint? Lip tint, yes. So let's see. It's like a roller ball. Kind of a weird thing. I don't know. I don't have a mirror close to me, so I don't know really what it did, but I'll be keeping that. I also received this here. This is a, what is this? This is a red matte lip gloss. So it's just a gloss. It's red. I don't really like bright red lips, but if it's just a gloss, it should not be a problem. Then in this mystery bag, I got this. It's a Perfecting Face Primer, oil-free, poreless, skin perfecting shine control, right here. And this is what it looks like. That I will get some use out of. And the last thing is this hemp seed cucumber facial wipes, makeup cleansing towelettes, which I do use. Unfortunately, I do. I keep saying unfortunately, but I do use these. I have a whole bunch of the, washable cotton rounds that I keep wanting to start using, but then I get these. I have some to go through, and then I just get a new one in this box. So I gotta use these up before I start using the washable rounds, but my intentions are good. So as for the giveaway in this video, I am going to let you know that it will include at least one eyeshadow palette. It will probably include those eyelashes, and there will be a couple other things in this giveaway. So it's just gonna be a surprise giveaway. Not a surprise, I'm going to put it in the title that is a giveaway, but the giveaway will be a surprise to you when you get it. It will go for, I think 2 weeks, but I will make sure I put the end date on the screen as well as in my description box. All of the information regarding the giveaway will be in my description box, including, you have to be in the United States. You have to be subscribed to everybody in this collaboration. You have to be over the age of 18 and must like this video. I don't know if there's more. It's all in the description box. So please make sure you do read the directions for the giveaway. Okay, and I think that's about it. I just wanted to show you. It's just a quick video, and I hope everyone has fun with this collaboration. Go check out everybody else, and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.